Hello guys. And in this video, we're going to learn about vocabularies, this list of words, pronunciation labs. It's going to be about pronunciation lab. So please, you need to repeat them and you need to practice this word. And then let's start with this one. It says listen and repeat. And then we're going to point. So this one, the first word, it says flight. Flight. So what does that mean? Flight. Our flights, what is the example? Our flight leaves at 6:15. Luggage. We still have plenty of time before we check our luggage. What is a luggage? So it's a bag where you put your stuff when you go somewhere, okay? Snacks. So what is a snack? They are they have sandwich, salads, and snacks. So what is a snack? So when you buy something to eat very quick, that we call the snacks. And forecast. What does that mean? Forecast. When you see the news, you see how the weather is going to be. And it says the example, I checked the weather forecast before we left. So you need to check before you go somewhere. Okay, sandals. So what is the sandals? Something you put in your feet. Okay. I hope you didn't forget to bring your sandals. When you go to the bridge, you go with your family, and you relax, you use your sandals. Okay, trip. Next word, trip. The example it says, is everyone excited about our trip? So what is trip? It is when you planning to go somewhere, you take the trip. Butter. The butter will have bread with butter and jam. So butter, something you put in the food. Sunglasses. So what is the sunglasses? You wear it with its sun. When it's a sunny day, you wear it. I hope you didn't forget to bring your sunglasses. So that is the example. So please, you need to practice this word in here. So let's listen a little bit.
Listen and repeat. Point at the words as you hear them. Watch out for the missing word. Snacks. Snacks. Forecast. Forecast. Sandals. Sandals. Flight. Flight. Luggage. Luggage. Sunglasses. Sunglasses. Butter. Butter.
Okay, so what do you need to do on this page? It says, see how much your word cost. So how much your word costs. Add the amounts and write a total. Use the code below. So what does this mean? So you need to find out how much it costs the letter S. So you need to find out letter S. Which one? Where is it? Right here. S, 5 cents. A, 4 cents. N, 6 cents. So you need to put the numbers in here, how much it costs, how much cents, how many cents. And then at the end, you need to add it up, and the equal, you need to put it right here, okay? And they do the same thing with this one and all this, okay? And also you need to go on the next page about the vocabulary. So this one right here, if you see, it is the same. It says sandals, fly, trip, luggage, butter, snacks, sunglasses, forecast. So what do you need to do? It says find and circle the words from the word bank. So this is on page 263. So you need to find and circle this word, okay? You need to find out which one. Sandals, for example. So you need to find out sandals. And you see it right here. Maybe, what is it? What is it? Sandals. Sandals. What is it? So right here, I'll find all this word right here, and then you need to cross. Okay, so that way you know when you already find it. Okay, and it says write the words in alphabetical order, match them to the picture. So what do you need to do? Match to the picture. For example, this one, this is the butter. So I think, which one you think? You can look, take a look this one. Which one is go first in order, alphabetical order? So B, it has to be A, B. So you need to find out. We have B right here, butter. So butter goes first. So you need to match with the line because it says match them to the picture. Okay? And also we need to go on this page, plans in the future, 260. Okay, we're going to learn about how to use will. It is very important to learn about the future because we use only will and wants for negative. So you see, we need to learn all these people, okay? I, you, he, she, it, we, they. And in the future, it's very easy because we don't change nothing, okay? So we use will for all this, okay? You guys remember in present, we use do, she does, it does, she does, he does. But in future, we use will. And for negative, we use won't for all these people. You say, I won't go with you. I won't be here. She won't be here. He won't be there. Okay, so please. So we use all this. Will and won't only for negative. Or also you can use will not, the long way to say it, the long. And want, it is the contracted forms want, okay? And it says to talk about plans in the future, use the word will before the verb. To talk about it in negative, use want. Like I said, will not or want. Okay? So I'm going to give you a couple examples of this one. For example, using will. And let's say like this. I will go with with you today. I will go with you today. So I will go with you today. Future, planning for the future. She will play with you. So she will play with you. And in negative, you could say she won't play with you. For example, she won't play with you. She won't play with you. She won't play with you. And I won't go with you today. I won't go. Okay, so please this one. This is the negative of future. And this is the future. And so this is it. And you need to go back in your English book. So what do you need to do? It says, and write sentences about these people will do and won't do in the future. Follow the model. It says, he will play baseball next week. He will. So he will do. She won't go to the movies with friends. So you need to take a look at the pictures. So you need to take a look at the pictures. So what are they doing? What do you think? Shopping? So they, because two people, they will go shopping. In negative, they won't go at the cinema. They won't go at the supermarket. They won't go at my house. So you need to take a look at these pictures and write sentences in affirmative and negative, okay, using the future tense, okay? And also you need to go on page 274. Page 274. Okay, page 274. The future tense. Remember, it says, let's read this one. We use will plus not for negative. Let's read this example. The hockey team will play against the Bears tomorrow. Sally will not go to Wisconsin on business next week. Sally won't go to Wisconsin. And will Sam cook breakfast in the morning? So remember, I'm gonna remember this one. If you put will first in the beginning of the sentences, it is a question. Okay? Will Sam cook breakfast in the morning? And you need to answer with yes or not. And then remember, you need to say yes, he will, yes, she will, yes, I will. And then if it's negative, you say no, he won't, no, I won't, no, she won't. Okay, so you can use want or will not. Okay, and then what you need to do in here, it says complete the sentences using will or want. Okay, will or want. I will write a letter to my friends next week. So you need to use not be. So this is negative, okay? They think their friends won't be on time for dinner. And then what about this one? Sarah will come to the party with her boyfriend, okay? And what about this one? Peter will be 50 years old next month. Will be. Okay, so please, you need to use this one where it says not. It is negative, and affirmative, okay? And then you need to use this. You do this one. It says unscramble the words to write questions in the future tense. So it says her friends meet my brother at the mall. So sentence it is. You need to find out. It says unscramble the words and write questions. It has to be questions, remember. So that means you need to write first at the beginning. Will. Okay? Will my mother meet her friends at the mall? It is questions. Next week, a party you have. So, will you have a party next week? So that is questions. So you need to do this one. Okay? All of them. And then it is on page 274. And thank you very much, guys. That's all you need to do for this week. And thanks a lot. And I hope to see you soon on the next video.